Do you know your letter sounds? Let's play a game. Guess my letter. There are 26 letters in the alphabet, and each letter has at least one sound. Let's practice the sounds by playing a game. I'll give you a clue, and then you guess my letter. I'm thinking of a letter. Guess my letter. B. Balloon begins with this letter. B. Balloon. B. Say B. B. Balloon. I'm thinking of a letter. Guess my letter. Lion begins with this letter. Lion. L. Say L. Lion. I'm thinking of a letter. Guess my letter. Monkey. Monkey begins with this letter. M. Say M. Monkey. I'm thinking of a letter. Guess my letter. Apple begins with this letter. Apple. A. A. Say A. Apple. I'm thinking of a letter. Guess my letter. Nest begins with this letter. Nest. N. Say N. Nest. I'm thinking of a letter. Guess my letter. Zebra begins with this letter. Zebra. Z. Say Z. Zebra. I'm thinking of a letter. Guess my letter. Watermelon. Watermelon begins with this letter. W. Say W. Watermelon. I'm thinking of a letter. Guess my letter. Tiger begins with this letter. Tiger. T. Say T. Tiger. I'm thinking of a letter. Guess my letter. Octopus begins with this letter. Octopus. Ah. O. Say O. Ah. Octopus. I'm thinking of a letter. Guess my letter. Paint begins with this letter. Paint. P. Say P. Paint. I'm thinking of a letter. Guess my letter. Race begins with this letter. Race. R. Say R. Race. Hooray! All done for today. Great job playing Guess My Letter. Thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe for more fun videos about learning to read.